In today's video, I will teach you how to create a background text effect using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Now, in the menu bar, open the Select tab and select Subject. Once the subject is selected, hit Ctrl J to make a new layer with only the subject on it. Now, type in the word that you would like to have a background text effect. Once you're done, hit Ctrl J to make a copy of the text and drag the other copy of the text in between the original image and the subject layer. Now, select the top text layer and hold down Ctrl key while clicking on the layer thumbnail, and in the menu bar, open the Select tab and select Modify, then Contract. The value that you must input here depends on the resolution of your image. So play around with the value that suits your text, and it's supposed to look like this. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click on the Add Vector Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then press Ctrl I to invert the text. To reposition and resize the image, simply select both layers when transforming it. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.